Hello good folks of the YouTube, Evil here. Well, I have something for you, but it's not this device, or should I say these devices. You all know MikroTik wireless wire. I had a review, it's linked below in the description if you want to see it. I even disassembled the device. It's a great device. I did many deployments of these. They are rock solid, rock stable. Never had problems with them. But we are not going to talk about this device today. Also, sorry about my light. This is highly reflective surface. So yeah, sorry about this. Yes, I said we're not going to talk about this device because I have something other for you. So here we go. We have this huge box, and I need to zoom out a little bit because it is a little bit huge, or not. My phone doesn't want to cooperate. Nevertheless, we can do unboxing here. But I need to apologize because I won't show you the box due to its huge size. It's a little bit chunky. This is wireless wire Cube. It's, let's say, spiritual successor of the wireless wire. But in which way? Let's unbox it and I'll show you what do we have here. Okay, when we open it, we are greeted with our great and nice MikroTik manual that we all know and love. So let's put it aside, we don't need it now. And you have two, not one, but two smaller boxes. So each one of these has devices in itself. One is master, one is slave, and this is also, this should be, oh yeah, it's mentioned. I don't know if you can, let me just, oh yeah, you can see master and slave. Yeah, it's a little troublesome to use these words today, but I still think this is a good description of how they work. So I will take out the master and I will do unboxing of the master while we put slave aside. We don't need two of them. Okay, now I can show you the box. Wireless wire Cube, standard MikroTik box. You can buy this separately. So there we go. There we have the device itself. This is our this is additional sticker. This is great if you're doing initial setup on the desk and you will know which device is which. So yeah, great thing from MikroTik, but let's put it aside until we check the rest of the contents. This is the mount. This is great pole mount, by the way. Gigabit PoE injector, standard these days with this newer MikroTik. Here, power supply. That really doesn't want to come out. Yeah, this is standard MikroTik power supply. Let me see if the phone will zoom. Yeah, there we go. 24 volts, 0.8 amps. Nice. This is the other piece of the mount, and it is a little bit stuck. Oh, there it is. So yeah, this is our mounting solution. Let's put the box aside. Okay, this is the device itself. Let's talk a little bit about these devices. What are they? They are 60 GHz pair devices. Already they are pre-paired. I mean, they are they're paired from factory. Yeah, you can see that we have only one Ethernet port, a grounding pin, and a reset button, and not much else. But it's not what connections we have that is important right here, because this device had some little trick in their sleeve. They work at 60 GHz just like wireless wire, but they also have 5 GHz backup connection. So you have two connections, one 60 GHz, one 5 GHz, that is actually bonded in the MikroTik device itself, and it acts as an active backup. So yeah, we have 5 GHz active backup, and this device has 800 meters range, which is great. But yeah, it's 60 GHz, 801.11ad. Should I clarify for the wireless freaks like me? So let's talk about specs for a moment. What we have here is a quad-core CPU. It's a IPQ 4019 that works at 760 MHz clock. It's paired with 256 megabytes of RAM, 60 megabytes of flash. As I already showed you, we have only one Ethernet port, and yeah, this device, as I said, it has 5 GHz, 802.11a and NAC, and 6 GHz 802.11ad, as I mentioned. The chipset for the WiGig is CubeG-5ac60adpair, and WiGig antenna model is VLQ14QDKAR00. Dimensions of the device are 130 by 130 by 132 millimeters. So yeah, it is like a cube when we look at the dimensions. It's nice form factor. You can attach it also with this handy, well-known MikroTik mounting points. You can use those offset adapters and whatnot. At the back side we also have this nice signal strength bar that it is active when the device is powered on. We do have some power on user LEDs, and at the side we also have this cable pass-through. Also we can remove this piece of plastic if you are using this grounding wire, which is advised, but it's up to you. I mean, this device is not metal, it's from plastic, so it will not conduct the current, and it should be plastic because of the antennas inside. What else? It does have IP rating, but it's IP54. It works at the operating temperature from -40 to +17. We have router OS license level 3, and yeah, that's about it. You're powering with the PoE, and that's all. I mean, basically if you know the wireless wire, this is more advanced and much better version. But what is important to say, that the difference in the price is only $50 when you take a look at the MSRP at the MikroTik page. And this is actually a better device than previous wireless wire, because you have that great thing, this 5 GHz backup. I did test it. It works great. It's rock solid, rock stable, works with router S6, router S7, zero problems with it so far. So yeah, it does have my recommendation if you would like to deploy something. In a previous video I showed you the PowerBox Pro. It works with that PowerBox Pro without an issue. So yeah, you can base your remote wireless setup with these devices without a problem. It is powerful enough, so yeah, you could use it for routing if you want. I mean, it has quad-core CPU, 256 MB RAM. It should handle something like WireGuard or some other VPN without an issue if you want to use it like that. You have an option for it. Certainly, it's great little device. I mean, great devices. Oh, but wait a second. I will take another one. So, you put them aside. And here we now have master and the slave. So yeah, great devices, great price. So if you need some solution like this, MikroTik has it. I'd like to mention that all these devices I'm showcasing you, some of them are mine, some of them are not, but I'm not sponsored by MikroTik. I just handle a lot of this. So yeah, a lot of these devices go through my hands, so I am not sponsored. This is all my opinion as a network engineer. So yeah, that's all for now. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Evil signing out.